Yes. Yes, I understand. We need to be careful with the timing. We need to keep this a secret. I have to go. Talk soon. Bye.
Who was that?
Oh, Sarah.
It was just work.
Nothing important.
At 9 o'clock at night?
Yes, it is a busy time. Sorry.
Who are you texting?
No one. Just work.
You were smiling.
Was I? It was just something funny. Sarah, I have to go out for a few hours.
On a Saturday?
Yes, just some errands. I'll be back soon. I love you.
I love you too. Flowers. And a ring.
Mom, are you okay?
Yes. Eat your dinner, sweetheart. Mike, can we talk?
Of course, what is it?
You have been different this week. Quiet, on your phone a lot, going out alone.
Sarah, it is just work. We have a big project right now.
Who is Olivia, Mike?
Sarah, it is not what you think. I cannot explain right now.
Cannot explain? Mike, are you seeing someone else?
No! Sarah, no, I would never! She is a friend. Please, I need you to trust me. Just a little longer.
Tom, have you noticed Mom and Dad lately? Yes, they are not talking like before. Mom looks sad. Dad looks sad too. Dad keeps getting secret phone calls. And Mom found a name on his phone, Olivia. Many calls. Many messages. Who is Olivia?
I don't know. But we need to find out. Dad will go out again on Saturday. We should follow him.
Follow Dad?
Yes. I don't believe Dad is doing anything bad. Do you? No. Dad loves Mom. We see it every day. Then let's prove it. For Mom. Mom, we have a plan. We don't believe Dad is doing anything bad. Tomorrow we follow him. We find out who Olivia is. Follow? Dad? Yes, Mom. We follow Dad. Okay. Tomorrow, we follow Dad.
Mom, not too close.
I know.
Where is he going?
Shh. Wait and see.
White roses. Mom, aren't white roses your favorite?
Yes, they are my favorite.
Then why is he buying them for someone else? A ring box! He has a real ring!
Maybe it's for Olivia. Keep following. That must be her. That must be Olivia. Shh. Let's listen. Oh, Mike, it is gorgeous. She is going to cry.
Tonight is our anniversary. 15 years today.
I know. And Sarah will never forget this.
She is everything to me, Olivia. 15 years. And every day I love her more. Emma and Tom don't know yet either. I want it to be a complete surprise for all three of them.
Mom, Dad isn't doing anything bad. He was planning a surprise for you. Today is our anniversary. I forgot. I forgot our own anniversary.
Sarah, what are you...
I am so sorry. I followed you. I saw the name Olivia. I saw the messages, flowers, and a ring, and I thought,
I know what you thought. I am sorry I couldn't tell you. I just wanted to surprise you so much.
I am sorry. I didn't trust you. I am so sorry, Mike. It is so wonderful to finally meet you, Sarah. I am Olivia. Your husband hired me 3 weeks ago to plan your vow renewal. I ruined the surprise. I am so sorry. Not at all. I think it is even more perfect now. Everything is ready, Sarah. We just need you to say yes. Yes. 1,000 times yes.
You are the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
The ring. I have the ring.
Thank you, Tom. Perfect timing. By the love we have all seen here today, I now pronounce you husband and wife again. You may kiss your wife.